Hey, what's up YouTube? Rahul here back with an interesting video. Zoom app has been everybody's favorite video conferencing app. All the educational institutions, well, most of the educational institutions use this app for their online classes. But the Union government as well as the Israel government asked the government employees not to use this app. Also, Elon Musk from SpaceX tried to ban this app. But what is the reason behind this? Is the Zoom app a potential threat to us? If you're searching for that answer, then you have come to the right place. Without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, the Zoom meeting app is not very safe platform for video conference. The government on Thursday said issuing a set of guidelines for the safety of private users who still would like to use the Zoom app for their purpose. As the use of the app has hugely grown during this lockdown period, with people working from home and social gatherings coming to, the Zoom bombing has apparently become people's favorite time pass activity. Zoom is not a safe platform even for usage of individuals. A detailed advisory has already been issued by the CERT India. The Home Ministry said in a new advisory. The guidelines, the government said, will prevent unauthorized entry in the conference room and even malicious activity by authorized participants on terminals of the other participants. It would also avoid device attack by restricting users through passwords and access grants. Most of the settings can be done by login into user's Zoom account at website or installed application at PC, laptop, phone, and also during the conduct of the conference. However, certain settings are possible through certain mod or channel only. Because it's very easy to get into any of the Zoom conferencing. Just if you get the link and click on that, you don't have to need an email ID at all. Just enter some username, anything, the Sosic or whatever, then just enter it and you'll be inside a meeting app where important things will be discussed. I'm not only talking about the online classes but also other important meetings of some companies or even government officials. Later, Zoom company said that Zoom takes user security extremely seriously. A large number of global institutions, ranging from the world's largest financial service companies and telecommunication providers to non-governmental organizations and government agencies, have been exhaustive security reviews of our user network and data center layers and continue to use Zoom for most of all their unified communication needs. So this is what Zoom said, but will that be real? The Zoom app has issues relating to privacy as well as security, a senior official in the Home Ministry said. According to him, the servers of the Zoom, like TikTok, are mostly located in China, which means they can easily see or analyze our talks, and it may be a potential threat in the near future. Because, right? It's all monitored in China by China people. And also talking about the cybersecurity, India's Nodal Cyber Security Agency CERT India website had earlier warned users of the video conferencing app that it was prone to breaches. The guidelines came following instances of leaked passwords and hackers hijacking video calls midway through the conference. As I've told, they can easily get into the Zoom video conference. Google has reportedly banned this Zoom app from all the employees' computer security to use this, and also it's banned in Singapore even for usage of teaching purpose. Elon Musk from SpaceX and Tesla also advised all his employees not to use this app. And even the Australian intelligence agency last week cautioned users to stay away from this insecure video conferencing application. So what is all happening? What is the final verdict of this thing? The verdict will be just stop using the Zoom app. Maybe you're just talking with your friends, but that will have a great impact in the future, because you might be not knowing the words that you use properly, but everything will be recorded and it will be there in the servers, and that server is in China. Not that we look down upon Chinese people, but that is how things work nowadays. I hope you got my point. Just stop using the Zoom app. Maybe you have online classes, but still, I guess the educational institutions will get direct orders from the government to stop using this and switch to other applications. So, talking about other applications, I've made another video on this, the Zoom app alternatives. I hope you guys will check it out. So that was pretty much everything about the Zoom app. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care, guys.